Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean a Dyson Hoover. I'm going to show you how you can take it apart, clean all the filters and remove all the hair that will be caught underneath there. So if you enjoy the videos, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm going to firstly take this apart, like so. And these, so make sure that you've emptied the part, you've emptied all the dust, all the dirt that you've collected. So with the filters, they normally come off like this. So with the Dyson one, it actually comes off this way. Just take this out like so. So this is not too bad, as you can see, because you have to clean the filter quite frequently so that all the dust and all the dirt that you pick up doesn't clog and affect the cleaning. And I'm just going to take off the other part. So you just press hard on this part and then you just keep on pressing, which will force the other part to come off like so, like that. So as you can see, some more dirt is still coming off, which is good, which is why I've got a towel underneath. So
show it on your recording, innit?
I'm just going to go around with the sharp object to unclip the bits around the filter. It does have 3 clips around it, so you do need to go around the whole edge of it, and it comes off just like this. As you can see, it does collect quite a lot of dust, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm just going to tap off any excess dust that's on it, as you can see. And then I'm just going to grab my toothbrush again, and I'm going to go around the edges of the filter just to remove all the dust that's stuck on to the cylinder. So now that all your filters are out, everything's out, and we've given this a quick scrub, what you'll do, you need to clean this. These filters can be washed, and this one, but this one's not as bad because I always do this one first, but I always forget about this one. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how to take this one apart. So I need a screwdriver, but I can't find one. If you can't find a screwdriver, you can even use a coin. I've used a coin before and it's worked perfectly fine. You just twist and it unclips it and it just comes off just like that. So it's very simple. These actually come off on the sides. So what you do is you just pull it out. Or what you do with this one, get a scissors or whatever you can use to take this out. This is just hair and carpet. So that's what it looks like now with all the hair come off. So to clean this part, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get microfiber cloth and spray it. I'm just using my Fabuloso disinfectant and spray it on that, and then just give it this.
And let's go to Zimbabwe now to bury.
But next time we have to let you come just go see them. Mom seems ill. Go see. Why do you have to wait for bad news?
I'm gonna get my antibacterial wipes and I'm just gonna go in there. Okay, there we go, nice and clean. So now I'm gonna go and give these guys a wash. So I have given these filters a wash and cleaned them with disinfectant. So I'm gonna leave this to dry, give them a couple of hours to fully dry. And now I'm gonna just work on this part because you can't really rinse it. I'm gonna go in with microfiber cloth, which has got some washing up liquid, and I'm just gonna clean the inside and the outside. Okay, so after leaving these to dry for a couple of hours and they're completely dry, you just put everything back on. And click everything back in. Then this filter back in. Like that. And then you just put and there you go. Now you have a clean Hoover. Always read the manual because I read the manual for the Dyson Hoover, and yeah, that's how I clean mine. So I hope this video has been really helpful and really informative, and also encourage you to clean your Hoover. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Bye.